Hi everyone, it's Liz. If you didn't know, this is what I look like. I haven't recorded that many videos featuring my face. I have some older videos in the past that I recorded, but since starting this business I haven't shown my face that much, just because most of the videos I make are craft tutorials where you see my hands. So I thought I would jump on here and give a proper introduction to Crafty April. I'm in my apartment right now. I have on my Pusheen t-shirt from a Pusheen box and then some Animal Crossing earrings. Yeah, and I'm sitting in a corner right in front of my patio because there's the best lighting here because there's big windows here. And then in the background I have the projects I've made for next month, which will be for like April, which is Kaleido frames. So I just have them taped on the wall right now around me to frame myself, because I'm not sure where I want to put them permanently, so I didn't want to, you know, put any nails in my wall willy-nilly. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for a permanent home for these guys. So these frames here, the Kaleido frames, are actually for next month's kit, which is coming out in April. So it's a little bit confusing because the monthly challenge is in April, but the box that was meant for April was actually the March's box, which I'm going to go over what was inside that box as well. So Crafty April was something that I came up with. It's a daily challenge, so each day in April, there's 30 days in April, we'll have a specific prompt. So it's kind of similar to any other daily challenges you might have seen, such as Inktober or any other prompt-based month challenges, month-long challenges. So for me, I started Crafty April because I wanted to give the crafting community something to bring everyone closer together and to interact. And so I think, like, with this challenge, if you're making crafts and you're posting, you can also see other people who are making crafts and posting for that theme. You can comment and like and just kind of get to know each other. I also wanted to give a challenge to crafters because sometimes I feel stuck or unmotivated, or maybe I have a creative roadblock or something, and so this is a good way to really get your creative juices flowing, to really exercise your creativity, I guess. So that's something that I wanted to do for everyone, is to like give everyone like a really fun challenge that you can really just like go all in on and make a bunch of different projects, and then also not be too worried about perfection, because this is a daily challenge and it's one every day. If you're planning on doing each of the days, each project, you need to be able to like start and finish. And I know a lot of times I will not finish projects because I'm aiming for perfection. You know, I do it multiple days, and then somewhere along the way I like get tired, or I am frustrated with myself. And so I think this challenge is good because it forces you to churn out finished crafts, which in turn will help you learn new skills and do new things and make things that you wouldn't have made without it. So I don't know, is this rambly? I don't think it's too rambly, but that's just kind of like my mindset about the challenge and why I wanted to do it. So like I mentioned, the March kit was actually for Crafty April. However, you do not need to be a subscriber or have received that box in order to participate. I want everyone to participate. It's open. Everyone can participate. It doesn't matter what country you live in. If you're a subscriber, if you have any Craft Kitsune boxes, if you've bought from me in the past or not, it doesn't matter. You can use whatever supplies you want as long as you follow that theme for the day. And then you can also use your own interpretation of the theme. So maybe I'll make something for that theme that's you know, takes that theme in one direction, whereas you might go off on a whole other direction with that theme, and that's totally fine. You can use and mix and match supplies, interpret the theme as you wish. In order to participate, post a picture or a collection of pictures. You can even post a video or a collage of a finished project for any of the days that you wish to participate. You don't have to do them all, but you're more than welcome to. So post a picture on Instagram or multiple, or a video, I said that twice. And tag me, which is at Craft Kitsune. So that's that's the Craft Kitsune business account. And then also use the hashtag Crafty April. And that way you will have one entry for every day that you participate. You'll have one entry into the giveaway. And so how it'll work there will be 4 prizes, and so oh my gosh, 3 of those prizes will be a prize every 10 days. So at the end of every 10 days, I will look at all of your entries, and those will all count towards a drawing for that prize for those 10 days. And so there'll be 3 of those, and so those are all really nice prizes. But then there also will be a 4th prize, which is going to be a mega prize, which is going to count all of the entries from the entire month, and those will be weighted and go into a drawing for that prize. And so each of the prizes, the first 3 will be announced. The winner will be announced the day after that 10-day cycle ends, and then the final prize will be announced 2 to 3 days after the whole month ends, so I can have time to calculate all of that. So that's how that'll work. And look out for information regarding what the actual prizes are. I'll put ahead of time, I'll put pictures and describe the prizes for you guys ahead of time. I just don't have the prizes with me right now, so I'm waiting on them, and then I'll like share those with you guys. I'm really excited about them. I placed a special order for the prizes, so it's gonna be good. Alright, so that's it for the introduction, and if you need any of this information or further information, you can go to the website or the Instagram account, and I'll leave those below in the description. For the rest of this video, because you're probably thinking like, oh, there's still a lot of time left in this video, I'm going to show you what was included in the March Craft Kitsune box, and then a little sneak peek of what you can expect from me in terms of content for April, and then maybe like a few closing remarks at the end. But yeah, closing remarks, it sounds really formal, but this is not a conference, this is just me. So I will also be making each of the daily prompts. So I'll be making a finished craft project, and I will be posting daily to my Instagram with that project. And then as far as videos go, I will also be posting a video every week during April. So each video will be a compilation of that week's projects. Each project I might not do a full tutorial on, but I'll definitely have lots of tips and tricks for how to use the supplies that I'm working with that day, as well as working with different mediums. So I'm going to be doing a lot of different mediums and testing out a lot of supplies. So I think it'll be really fun. I've already started working on the projects, so here you can see the footage of me making some projects, and so I hope you'll tune in April to see the finished projects and then watch the tutorial videos once they're ready. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed here on YouTube, please do so. And I will be posting videos in April, so subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can see all of those once they come out. I'll also be letting people know on social media once they come out too, of course, but just as an extra measure. And then otherwise, thanks again for making it till the end, and I will see you guys in Crafty April. Bye!